Today, we're working on one of the deepest and most invisible blocks to money: identity. This is the quiet belief that says, this isn't for someone like me. It's not loud. It doesn't always show up as fear. It shows up as hesitation, self doubt, and staying the same. And no matter how much strategy you learn, if your identity doesn't match the level of money you want, you'll keep pulling yourself back to what feels familiar. So, today, we're going to bring that into awareness and begin shifting it. Let's look at EFT from another angle. Your identity is built from repeated thoughts, experiences, and emotional patterns. Over time, your brain creates a set point for what feels normal for you. When you start moving beyond that, especially with money, your nervous system can resist it. EFT tapping helps interrupt that pattern. By tapping on specific points while focusing on these identity level beliefs, you begin calming the nervous system and loosening the grip of those old patterns. This allows you to expand what feels normal for you. So we start tapping on the karate chop point if you're new here, and then we move through the inside of the eyebrow, the side of the eye on the bone, under the eye on the bone, under the nose, the chin, collarbone points, under the arm, like 4 inches under your armpit, and the top of the head, like the crown of the head. Once we reach the top of the head, that completes one round, and we begin again at the eyebrow. You can tap on either side of the body because the meridians are symmetrical. You can use one hand or two hands. I personally prefer two hands, but do whatever feels natural for you. You can use two fingers or three fingers and keep a steady rhythm. Now, take a slow breath in through your nose. Exhale. Close your eyes and imagine yourself having the level of money you truly want. See your life, your freedom, your options. Now notice what comes up. Does part of you say, that's not me? Does it feel out of reach, unrealistic, or not meant for you? Notice any thoughts like, people like me don't do that, or that's for other people. Ask yourself on a scale from 1 to 10, how much do I believe this actually is possible for me? Just notice the number. Now take another slow breath in. Exhale. Now begin tapping on the side of the hand and repeat after me. Even though part of me believes this level of money isn't for me, I deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. Even though I've been living inside a limited identity, I choose to become aware of it. Even though part of me feels like this isn't who I am, I deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. This doesn't feel like me. This level of money feels out of reach, like it's for other people, not someone like me. All these identity limits, all these old beliefs, all these stories about who I am, keeping me where I've been. Part of me is used to this level. This is what feels normal. and anything beyond it feels uncomfortable. Feels unfamiliar. Feels unrealistic. All this resistance to change. All this hesitation. Keeping me stuck. What if I could expand who I am? What if I could grow into more? What if this could be for me? What if I've been playing small? Maybe I'm capable of more. Maybe I've been underestimating myself. Maybe I can step into something bigger, allowing my identity to expand. I am allowed to grow. I am allowed to evolve. I am allowed to have more. I'm allowed to become more. This doesn't have to feel impossible. It can be normal. It can be, it can become who I am. I am expanding into it. I choose a new identity. I choose a bigger version of myself. I choose to step into it. I choose to believe it. I choose to live it. I choose to grow into it. I choose to receive more money as part of who I am now. Take a breath in, exhale. Close your eyes again and imagine yourself already living at that next level, not trying to get there, but already being that person. Notice how you think, how you feel, how you carry yourself. Let that identity feel natural, grounded, and real. Now take one more slow breath in, exhale. Before you continue your day, drink some water to help your body integrate this shift. And thank you for doing this work, because once your identity expands, your reality has no choice but to follow. And that's when you truly start becoming a money magnet. Thanks for being here.